yeah. I'm gonna flambe it. Yeah, what a beautiful whiskey flambe pour on your chicken. That looks that delicious. Yeah. All right. Hi guys. Today I've got some rooster. So I thought of doing something, braised. Right, the technique is called braising. So say, I just want to braise it in wine and finish it with the whiskey and the vegetables, and let's do it. Yeah, thank you. Seasoning your chicken with pepper. Alright. And some of the pink salt. Beautiful pink salt. Okay, that goes in first. Second. And some of the flour. Just put it up on the top and give a mix. That's it. Alright. So we are going to sear it first. So searing the rooster chicken is important for the braising. Alright. And you just put in it. Butter. And olive oil. We'll start searing the chicken right now. Beautiful breast and thigh and leg breast. Sorry, thigh leg. Remove the leg. Okay, then another side. Alright. So chunk pieces of rooster. One side is off. Just check it in between. Don't put it in the high flame. The flame should be low, otherwise it will get burned. I'll start burning. So that's enough like this. Yeah. Yeah. See, look at that. Going to perfume the chicken with a little bit of rosemary, dried one, after some dried, and some of the oregano. Alright, oregano is right now, that's more than enough. Just give a mix. Okay, just wait a few seconds so that rosemary and oregano gets a little bit seared. So this process is called, searing the chicken, and you basically seal the chicken, right? So that is done. Now we are going to put it for poaching, right? Yeah. On the same pan I have some onions, right? Some of the garlic and bell peppers. Yeah, this we give a saute. Alright, and this recipe has got a sriracha in it. These peppers are there plus srirachas in it. So, that's a beautiful thing. It will have the puncheon and the taste, right? The sriracha gives a tanginess and spiciness, where your sweet peppers give the sweetness, and the onion will give the sweetness to this sauce. Yeah, so that's that. Almost. Add some boiled carrot is there. So I'm going to add a little bit of carrot. This carrot will be the colorful sauce. The vegetables are slightly roasted right now, so I'm going to add some of the white wine. Alright, look at that. And some of the chicken, so I'm gonna just give a boil. it started boiling. Alright, so okay, we'll give it a little bit of chicken stock. A beautiful chicken stock. Alright. Yeah, 3.5 spoon of smaller enough. And give it a bubble. So once started steaming, once started leave it there to steam. So I'm going to add the chicken. Okay, see that's enough. Beautiful. So your chicken goes in it. Alright. You nicely place the chicken upon the vegetables in which you have sauteed and braising right now with the wine, so it goes up on it. Okay, a little bit of salt. Alright, yeah, and pepper. I think that's enough. Okay, let's cover it up with the lid. I've taken a proper lid. It's supposed to be in the oven, but since it is home cooking, I'm trying to do whatever the possible stuff is there. And I think under the pan, the plate goes, alright, and put it in a high flame until that plate gets warm, hot enough. Alright, leave it for at least 40 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes, just leave it like that. It'll be alright. Slow, very slow, it has to be very slow. The chicken has to come out from the meat has to come out from the bone. That's what that texture I'm looking for. Yeah, let's do that, right? Yeah, thank you. Check your water level, check your stock level in between. I've taken out, I've opened it and then added a little bit of tomatoes and bay leaves and a little bit of pepper. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. All right. Okay, just flame off, and I'm going to take out that chicken and we'll do the sauce, right? See, it's falling down. It's falling apart, So that's beautifully done. Oh, look at that. All right. Wonderful. Okay. See, look at that texture of the chicken. Okay. Those vegetables and that stock, the braised stock, will paste it out right now. Bit more butter in the same pan, and I'm going to add that same sauce which you blended. Alright, so put that back into the same pan. I'm going to a little bit cook it a little bit. Alright, see, look at that nice color of the sauce. Flame up. A little bit more saute needed. Alright, that process will bring this all the smell and aroma. Alright, a little bit more of nutmeg powder. Yeah, I made some nutmeg powder. See, nutmeg goes in. Yeah, I think that's done. With a little bit more salt. Yeah, your sauce is done. We'll do the plating right now. Okay, yeah. Alright. Your sauce goes into the plate. What a wonderful sauce it is. It's beautiful, delicious, looking delicious. I'll tell you once it is tasted, and I'll tell you whether it is tasty or not, but I feel it's tasty. Okay, give a line. Alright, with your spatula. Okay. And your braised chicken pieces are ready to serve on the plate, and I'm just going to place it upon it. So you look at that. Yeah, it's falling apart. Okay, So legs pieces goes in it, and a thigh piece, and other leg piece. I think that's enough. Yeah. See, look at that, beautiful. All right. All right. All right, let's do the magic. You know, I'm just heating up the spoon, and I pour the whiskey. All right, look at that. I'm gonna flambe it. Yeah, what a beautiful whiskey flambe pour on your chicken. It looks that delicious. Yeah. All right. Bit of sriracha upon the chicken and the sauce goes like that. Now the beautiful part will happen. We'll do the tasting. Look at that. All right. Bit of sriracha upon it. Yeah. Do try it and comment upon it, and then try it and let us know that. No, thank you. Bye.